Bitcoin is moving on the edge and it's not looking very bullish right now. But there are some key things to take into consideration when you're looking at the Bitcoin chart right now. So first of all, we're still moving in this range. And as long as you're in the range, you want to play the lows, you want to long the lows and short the highs. That's how range trading works. We're in this range for quite a while already, so the chances of a breakout will increase the longer we stay in the range. We tested the bottom of the range over here, and then we made an explosive impulse. But Bitcoin couldn't hold the momentum, and we started to fall down bit by bit in this local downtrend. So, in my opinion, as long as we hold this low over here, uh, it's still a good idea. Still a good idea to try to take trades towards the top of the range. So, in my opinion, I'm longing right now. But once we break this area, a very important area in my opinion, there's not a lot in the way of Bitcoin because this has already been tested. And yeah, there's maybe some small stuff here, but if we lose this low, I think Bitcoin will probably go down quite a bit. And yeah, possibly take some liquidity over here. It's also a very likely possibility that Bitcoin will continue to drop further to levels like here 77k for example. So yeah, it's like it's a make or break scenario for Bitcoin right now, so you have to stay alert. And that also means there are short opportunities when we break this level, and yeah, as long as we don't break it, just try to take your longs until we get back to the top of the range again. The same thing I said when we were back here. When we were here, I said take your shorts, short, here in price, short, to be able to get that risk reward, the downside potential all the way to the bottom of the range. That's exactly what happened, guys. So if you took the shorts here, well done. If you didn't, don't let this chance slip right now. So as we can see, this local downtrend is still going on. But as you can see, the momentum is slowing down. So it might be really interesting to get in that long now, especially because we're at the bottom of the range as well, like I said. So yeah, we want to see a gain of this last swing that brought us to the low. Once we gain this, I'll look for a long opportunity. I don't know exactly yet what I want to play the long because the price action hasn't fully formed yet. But yeah, possibly a scenario like this could happen, and then you would play the long like this. Or if the price drops further and then gains it, then you can play your long even lower. There are multiple scenarios and you don't know yet in advance which one is going to play out, but this is an important level to take into consideration, and if we gain it, your trigger for longs is officially triggered. So yeah, that's the second trade opportunity right now in the market. Gain of this, a retest, and a continuation. And yeah, also the top of the range is still interesting to short, of course, guys. So I think this is a really nice short opportunity here. This drop off that brought us all the way to the low. And yeah, you can choose to directly play it and catch the movement, or you can choose to wait for a local reversal to happen and then make sure that you get the trade. So that choice is up to you. And yeah, those are the three opportunities right now in the market. If you got any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments and I'll answer them. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.